In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Siteground MX record to set up Google Workspace. Let's jump right in and walk you through each step to ensure a smooth and successful setup. To start off, head over to the Siteground website. This is the web hosting platform where we'll be making changes to the DNS settings. Once you're on the Siteground homepage, you'll see a login button in the top right corner. Click on that. You'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. If you haven't already signed up for an account, make sure to register first. After logging in, you'll find yourself in your personal Siteground account dashboard. The next step is to go to the My Siteground account section. This area houses all the configurations and details for your hosted websites. Here, we want to access the site tools for the specific website that you'll be setting up your new email system for. Now, navigating through the dashboard, click on Site Tools. This is essentially the hub for managing individual websites on your Siteground account. You will then need to click on Domain. The domain section is where many critical settings reside, including those for DNS configurations. Next, you'll need to select the DNS Zone Editor. This editor gives you the ability to manage all DNS records related to your site, which is what we need to do to configure your Google Workspace. Once inside the DNS Zone Editor, look for the MX tab. This is the section where mail exchange records are made, dictating how your email is routed. Click on the Add Your Own MX Records. This is where we manually enter the necessary details for configuring Google Workspace. When adding an MX record, you'll need specific details from Google. Make sure you have these details ready. Generally, these will include a priority number and the server name where the emails will be managed. If you're unsure about these details, Google Workspace support or documentation can be a useful resource. After entering the correct information, review it for accuracy and then click Create. The changes might take some time to propagate across the internet, but once completed, your Google Workspace should be able to send and receive emails using your domain, and that's it. You've successfully added a Siteground MX record to set up Google Workspace. Remember, if you encounter any issues, it could be due to DNS propagation or incorrect record details. In such cases, recheck your entries and consider reaching out to support. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new Google Workspace setup. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, happy emailing.